guys. Ooh, we got that heat today. Yeah, we got that heat. Oh yeah. Let me fix that camera for you guys, man. We got that heat. I know y'all can see. I know y'all can see. Most definitely can see. Yeah. We got them Jordan 4s in the cut. Man, I ain't gotta say much. Y'all look at them. I think these the best Jordan 4s. I mean, y'all tell me what y'all think. Yeah, I think them the best Jordan 4s, man. I got that suede. I'm not into suede, but these suede is up there. It's up there. You can't go wrong with this color wave. This color wave is almost definitely on point. Oh, yeah. You can't forget about the Jordan 1s Royals. You can't forget about them. Them look at the extra laces with them. Oh man, with the gray Nike side. You cannot gray at the bottom. That cut away. I think the best three I say coming out this year. These are the best three. These are the best three in these universities. These nasty. Nah, these nice. These is nasty. These is nasty. Nasty. Like these is all on point, and you cannot be disappointed getting these right here because the sale prices on these it's going up. It's going up. Yeah, so I mean if you copping these for retail price, if you could find a retail price, because raffles and everything and was all just fast. Like people was copping them fast, so it was hard to get them. So, but if you can't cop them, if you can't get them, you'll pay decent price, like $300 for them. Pounds. Spend your money on these because you ain't gonna be mad. You ain't gonna be disappointed if you spend your money because you know what I'm saying. If you're a reseller, you gonna see your money back. You know what I'm saying? Because I say after this year, the price is gonna go up. Yeah. So these color waves this year, this blue, they mixing all this blue together. Like it just give you that summer, that spring feeling. You know what I'm saying? You know, so these gonna be the nice shoes. You gonna mostly see your people feet. They're gonna be rocking for the summer, vacations and stuff. You're gonna be seeing these shoes a lot. You know what I'm saying? I even seen these shoes in people weddings. People really rocking, you know what I'm saying, Jordans and stuff at their weddings. Like, this is a nice color. This is a nice color. You know, North Carolina blue. These Jordan 4s is, oh man, so it just make you wanna bow. When you see them, you make you wanna bow. And this right here is on point. It's on point. Everything. They different. That's the main thing about it. They different. You know, they give you the suede and they give you that leather. You know what I'm saying? Front on the toe. They real different. Yeah. So I gotta continue telling y'all guys. You know what I'm saying? If y'all in the reselling business, you know what I'm saying? I just started my reselling business like 6 months ago. So I'm just these are shoes of choice right now this year. If you want to sell, join us. You know what I'm saying? These are the shoes of choice to cop. So make sure you know what I'm saying, try to figure out which ways you can get them new, brand new, used, anything. So my thing is, you know what I'm saying, like I said, continue building y'all relationships with stores, retail stores in y'all neighborhood, and just try to continue doing the raffles. You know what I'm saying? Because you know you can't get lucky. You know what I'm saying? To get one pair each raffle. Make sure you know what I'm saying, multiple devices. You know what I'm saying? Connected to the raffles. You know what I'm saying? Sneaker raffle, Nike. You know what I'm saying? Apps. You know what I'm saying? You could multiple things. You know what I'm saying? And then try to be a connection with the people. You know what I'm saying? Main thing. Yeah. So if I figure out any ways, anything, you know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all trying to. We all learning. I'm learning. Everybody learning. So I'm learning more things too. So if I figure out more ways that I know how to cop or anything, you know what I'm saying, or how to get these shoes, I will let y'all guys know. So I just want to say, just continue watching me. I'm trying to grow my channel. And like I said, these are shoes of choice right now. So, I've been buying multiple pairs of these. No, size 8 right here. I've been buying multiple pairs of these. I have a lot of pairs of these. Just, I've been collecting. Even got off-whites. Pair of off-whites. I know y'all probably, if you watch my last video, y'all see the lineup I had. I have multiple pairs of shoes I've been trying to sell. So, even, I think right now, the price of Air Force Ones, low top, is going to grow. So, right now, because it's hard to even find white Air Force Ones now. And these are go-to shoes. You know what I'm saying? Nice price. You get these from man size $90 to $100. These shoes right here, these gonna always be around. So for a long time, they've been around for a long time. So I think the prices gonna start rising. And I think they're gonna be probably start selling. I hate to say it, ones for $200. I hate to say it, for one for $200. Like that make me like, no, I ain't getting no. But you can rock these with anything, most anything. These the go-to shoes for everybody. You even see some of the old heads out here still wearing these. They call it different names, Fazos, you know what I'm saying, right lows, all type of stuff. But Air Force Ones, yeah, I'm the perfect ones to get. I don't really like the mid top that much, but I'm the perfect ones to get. But nice crispy box. So start collecting these too. Yeezys, lows, summertime shoes, you know what I'm saying? These, those, these, right here. Start collecting more of them. Dunks. Start collecting. So them right there, you know what I'm saying? Shorts, short pants, summer coming, throw them on some shorts. Jogger pants, I'm gonna go right. So, but like I was saying, these shoes right here, even if you want to just have these to your collection, you know what I'm saying, to wear every day, that blue is on point. That blue is on point. I say if I had to choose between these threes to wear, the first ones that my go-to, I say University. I mean, you can comment below what you think, which ones you think you would go to. It's your first go-to. But them Jordan ones, like them right there, got that black, because I like wearing black jeans, blue jeans a lot. So I mean, you rock all of them with that color, but this right here, it's perfect. It's perfect. So, but in the meantime, all of them is perfect. I like all of them. So I'm gonna remix everything. So maybe here now, I'm bringing in more shoes. So I'm gonna try to bring a whole different lineup. You know what I'm saying? See which ones y'all think is the best ones out of the 3 or out of the 4. So which ones y'all prefer rocking or styling, reselling, whatever y'all want to do. So like I said, so you watching me, watching my videos. I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and make sure y'all stay safe and keep God first. Thank you guys for watching.